Welcome back to Death Toll Racing. This is a 3-minute video. Let me know, guys, how you like this. If you like this type of video where I just do something really quick on it, it's all time lapse. But what we're doing is I'm putting in this pane window. I'm sitting behind me. You see me working there on the main screen, and I'm just taking out all the old glass in it now. It's a steel frame. It's 12 foot by 4 foot. We found it on the property, so I'm going to put new glass in it and put it in the office, like you see behind me. So this is going to be my view, and it is cool. I really like it. And now that it's done, and it was an easy project. It took me 2 days, but I could have done it in a day if I worked on it the full time. But I didn't. So it took me 2 days to do it. So here I'm just roughing in well, it's the finished dimension. So this is the side. Basically, if I were to re-side it again, I cut the wall out around that using a skill saw and then a sawzall to finish the cut through the other side. And then I just pull it in, and then I'm actually going to stick the window frame, the steel frame in it. And I'm going to make sure it's level and everything, and I'm going to frame around it, like do the framing of the wall around the window, so that way I can use the window as my reference the whole time. And it made it real easy. I've never done it this way before, but it was a good idea, I think. I definitely would do it this way again. This is a non-bearing, load-bearing wall. If this was a load-bearing wall, there would have been a lot of things we would have had to do different, but it's not, so I didn't. So I added two 2x4s to either side, and then double stacked 2x4s on the top, so they're big long 2x4s, a little over 12 feet on the top and the bottom, two stacked, laying flat, since I wanted all my strength in and out. I don't need any strength up and down. So now we're just going to put the windows in, and to do that you just it ended up being really easy. It's kind of more of an artsy type project, but you just put the glazing around the window frame, push the window in, make sure it's not touching the frame in any corner so it doesn't crack. It stays there really good. It sticks really good. And then you just build it up around the outside so you can see what it is here, where it's angled. And this would normally be the outside of the, like if this were in a house or something, we're sitting on the outside looking in, kind of like we're doing now. But this would be the side hitting the weather. And then you just do that, and trim around it with a putty knife. It's like plumber's putty. If you've ever used plumber's putty, that's exactly what it goes on like. But it's supposed to dry in like 7 to 14 days, and I don't know if it dries rubbery or if it dries really hard. It's paintable, so it must be somewhat rigid. So we'll see. I've never done it before. I don't think too many people anymore have messed with pane windows, but they do look cool, and it was cheap. We're $230 into this project. The way it is, and this is obviously not finished, so we ordered a sawmill, so you'll see some videos on that. We're going to finish the entire inside of this office in wood that we've cut around the property, and you'll see that on a lot of other things as well. So anyway, let me know how you like this video. If you like videos like this, I can do a lot of them. They're very easy. It only took a few minutes to do the video, and basically what you're seeing now in about 10 minutes to edit it. So let me know if you like these. If you do, I'll keep doing videos like this when we're doing little projects step by step, or if you'd rather them be like a 15-minute video of a whole bunch of stuff getting done, I can do it that way too, either way. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.